everybody. Meteorologist Chris Justice here with you. I want to give you an update on the storms moving through the area. We've got multiple severe thunderstorms warnings that are strengthening that I want to show you and talk about because these are beginning to take shape and become a bit more intense. Here are our active alerts. Anytime you see the red icon, that means dangerous weather is imminent. It's happening right now. Clemson, Lake Hartwell, Anderson, northbound. You're seeing that threat right now. Let's get in closer to this one. We also have threats in Henderson, northern Greenville County, and one to watch in Polk and Rutherford counties. Let me show you this right here from Clemson to Anderson. This cell that's about to clip the northern side of the lake here certainly is packing quite a punch back toward northeast Georgia, even indicating a little bit of broad rotation here. There's nothing that indicates some low level or tornadic threat, but it's something to watch here as we do have some rotation moving into the area. Winds going toward and away from the radar, especially around Livonia, southbound into Hartwell. That rotation will go right over Anderson County, the border of Oconee County, just south of Clemson, which, by the way, Clemson, you've had multiple rounds of some thunderstorms here. Watching this rotation, some very strong winds now moving toward the Livonia area. In fact, looking up toward Henderson County, this line has had a history of producing some damage. In fact, we've got some very strong winds moving into Lake Lure right there. This severe thunderstorm warning goes for about another 15-20 minutes, pushing off toward the south and east. Back toward this storm here in Livonia. Man, this has got some really strong winds pushing over the border into parts of Oconee and Anderson County. Looking at live Super Doppler 4 HD, this severe thunderstorm warning right here goes for about another 20 minutes or so. We're going to track this as it pushes off toward the north and east, clipping the northern half of Anderson County, including Parkertown 10:03, Clemson at 10:30, Central at 10:41, then Easley at 11 o'clock. We've also got some strong storms in parts of Pickens pushing toward the northern part of Greenville County again. Let's track that one. Easley 10:15, Crosswell 10:27, Travelers Rest 10:35, and then Taylor's at 10:47. This line, as it moves toward the east, will encounter more unstable air. In fact, this just came out from the Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma, increasing that risk from basically Greenville all the way to the I-77 corridor. We're in that enhanced risk, which is the fourth category of risks out of 6. And then you got this moderate risk, which is very rarely issued. In fact, the last time we had this across the Carolinas, 2011, during that tornado outbreak. We're likely to see the possibility of long track tornadoes in that area. Let's go back to live Super Doppler 4 HD and show you what's going on. In fact, I'm just getting word from the National Weather Service here. Let me get this here. Getting some 911 calls from Henderson County that there's some trees down in downtown Hendersonville, multiple power lines down. The time frame looks to be about 15 minutes ago, right when we saw that line move through downtown Hendersonville. Let's go back up to that.